closing up on your port side all the time. Out there, good. 110 wide. 4 coming straight breast. Come straight abreast. Have your good 90 wide. $75 wide, closing in all the time. 150. 100. 65 wide, sliding your ports off, keeled out. 50 feet coming straight breast. About 50 wide. And then we're coming straight breast your bull nose now. 10 more feet be inside your flats. And we're coming inside your flats, and we're out here about 45. Slow close. About 800 foot to the short wall bull nose. 35, closing in all the time. 30. 25. 20. 18. 15. 12. 10. Slide's going out. We go about 10. About 700 foot to that short wall bull nose. Hold 10, no slide. Pick it back up, 9 wide. 8 wide. 7. 6. 5. Slow them back down. Hold 5. Widening out slowly, back to 6. About 600 foot to that short wall bull nose. Closing back up. 5. 4.5. 4. 3.5. 3. 2.5. 2. Foot and a half. Foot. 6 inches. 3. 2. 1. Land on a bumper. Widen out all the time. We have here about 10 inches and a foot. Foot and a half. Close back up a foot. 10 inches. 8, 6, 3, 2, 1. Land lightly. About 550 to that short wall bull nose. Pitching out all the time. 3. 6 inches. Closing back up slowly. 4. 3. 2. 1. Land lightly.
W.A. Hernandez, Bridget Hawley.
Couple inches wide. Hold.
About 450. That's where we'll go. Margins. I'll be on the 1 for you.
Laying back flat, nice and easy.
Good work.
Still laying flat, nice and easy.
Yeah, thanks.
Coming in 3 inches. Closing Closing back up slowly, couple. One bottle.
That's what we're bullnose.
Still in, flat.
That's what we're bullnose.
Still in, flat.
Sandy Drake to Vivian B. Yeah, Vivian B. You're coming down here 2 miles over here to... good going. No, I'm shoveling cementies around here at the coal dock.
About 200 to be abreast with bullnose.
Partner, that sounds good to Vivian.
Head still in, flat.
About another 125 to be abreast of that bullnose.
Inching out all the time. We're about 3 inches now. Closing back up slowly. Laying back flat, nice and easy.
About 100 foot to be abreast of that bullnose.
Inching out slowly, couple inches. Closing back up. Laying back flat.
75 feet to be abreast of the bullnose.
Still in flat. About an inch wide and hold
28, Tavares to W8
50 foot.
Stern's out there about 18.
Grand back.
Head laying flat.
I'm going to kind of hold her right here if you...
About 30 foot to the bullnose.
Well on your stern. Head laying
I'm
flat.
going to go right over the side of the line. I'll put right there right on the situation.
15 to be abreast with the bullnose, 20 to be inside the dog leg.
Guarantee you all clear. All right.
Head laying flat. Stern's closed in about 9.
Abreast with the bullnose, being the flat and 10.
Inching out slowly, a couple inches wide.
Coming on to the dog leg now.
Out here about 4 inches. Stern's closed in about 3.5. Laying back flat on the head.
About 10 foot to be on the flat.
Out here just a couple inches on the head. Widen out all the time. 6.
Closing up over here about 2 foot wide.
Closing back up, and we laying flat. Stern's out there about 3 foot.
Closing up, 1 foot wide. 6 inches laying on the bumper.
Come across your gates in 15. Start across your gates now. Coming all clear your gates.
All right, man, good job. They say catch that middle wall. They want to catch the middle wall.
Roger that. Start side.
Yeah. Good job, buddy.
Yes, sir. Good job, Captain.
She didn't look pretty at first.
Boy, when we got past that wall, though, the wind calmed down for you, didn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of jacked around there. Plus, they running so much water up there, my pool. It's worked out.
Good deal.